The Balsa from Cardel is a bright and spacious townhome with natural light streaming in from a transom window above the front door, all the way to the oversized windows and glass patio door at the back of the home. From the moment you enter, you're struck by its eye-catching ground floor design that brings in maximum light and emphasizes the width of the home. A generous kitchen is open to the dining room and includes a convenient walk-in pantry, a much appreciated feature found in a number of Cardel townhome plans. The Balsa's living room includes a 10-foot ceiling, adding a spacious feel to this home. This is a truly stylish townhome with a single-family feel, perfect for entertaining and family gatherings. The extra-wide and deep stairs, a distinctive Cardel difference, lead to the upper level of the Balsa, where the large master bedroom includes a spacious walk-in closet and ensuite. The luxurious soaker tub is part of an optional deluxe version, but the 10mm glass shower with swing door is a standard feature in every Cardel home. A full second-floor laundry room and full washroom maximize privacy for the master bedroom by providing separation from the other two bedrooms. A convenient linen closet is located right outside the laundry room. Closets in the additional bedrooms feature swing doors for easy access. Like all Cardel townhome plans, the Balsa features a finished basement rec room with an oversized window, a space that is perfect for fitness, lounging, or play. Cardel's Balsa townhome is available in this popular Ottawa area community.